friends, welcome back to my channel. So today we will be learning another new stitch, that is a half double crochet. It's almost similar to double crochet but with slight changes. So for the basic project we will just go with 10 chains. For that, first slip knot and 10 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So for half double crochet, we will be doing a returning chain of 2 chains. So whatever number of chains you are putting, you have to add 2 chains to it. So for our project, we will be having 12 chains on our hook. In that, 2 will be our returning chain. Now for half double crochet, you will yarn over. You will be skipping the first 2 chains and you will be inserting your hook into the 3rd chain. So yarn over, insert into the 3rd chain, pull through. Now you have 3 loops on your hook. So pull through all the 3 loops together. So yarn over into the next stitch, pull through. You have 3 loops. If it is difficult for you to pull through all 3 together, just pull through one, again from one, again from one, without taking your hook away from the loops. So I'll show you once again. Yarn over, insert, pull through. You have 3 loops on your hook. Pull through one, pull through one, pull through one. So all three you have pulled together. So your half double crochet is done. We'll just have a look once again. Yarn over, insert into the next chain space, pull through and pull through all the 3 together. Initially it may be difficult for you to pull through all the 3 together, so you can just pull through one, again pull through one and pull through the other. So this way also you can do. So we'll meet once we reach the end of the chain. So we are almost at the end of the first row. You should never miss this first chain of your foundation chain. If you miss, your full project shape will be out. So our first round of half double crochet is done. Now for the next row again, you will have to chain 2 chains as your returning chain. After chaining 2, turn your work. This time you will be inserting into the very first space. As for half double crochet, you can see that here also you can see a chain and here also. This is the chains which you will be counting on the top, not the one on the front side. If this comes perfect, it shows that your half double crochet stitches are coming out perfectly. So you will be inserting into this space. So you will get 2 loops in this manner on the on the hook. So after chaining 2, yarn over and insert into the very first space, because you won't be counting chain 2 as your first stitch. So for the first stitch, you will be inserting your hook into the very first space. Pull through and complete your half double crochet. Oops. Just redo it. My thread got stuck. It happens sometimes if the yarn and pull through all the 3. Yarn over, insert into the next stitch, pull through and complete the half double crochet. So we have reached the end of second row. You can see 2 more stitches to be worked. So we'll just get it done together. Yarn over and pull through all the 3 stitch loops. Again yarn over, pull through and complete your stitch. So your second row of half double crochet is ready. I'll just show you one more row how to do. Chain 2 as your returning chain. Turn your work. Yarn over and insert into the very first space. Complete your half double crochet, pulling through all the 3 loops together. Yarn over into the next stitch. Pull through and complete your half double crochet. So third row of half double crochet is almost done. Should never miss out the last and first stitches, otherwise your project will go out of shape. For next row again chain 2. So this will be your repetitions throughout for increasing your height of the square you are going to make. That is chain 2 and then complete your half double crochet till the end. So I'll just do few more rows and show you how to complete. So I have added few more rows to our square. We are not considering chain 2 as our stitch. If you want, you can consider this as your first stitch. If you are considering chain 2 as your first stitch, you should not make your first half double crochet in the first stitch. Very first stitch you will be skipping. So in that case you will be doing your half double crochet in the second stitch. But then you will be getting a gap out here. So to avoid that, we are ignoring our chain 2 and we will be doing our first half double crochet in the very first space. So to get a more cleaner work, we are avoiding chain 2 as our first double crochet, half double crochet. So we have come to the end of the row. I'll just secure my work. So for that, last half double crochet I am completing. I've cut the yarn before because I know how much length I will be needing. But when you are doing, please take care that you will cut the yarn only after completing the chain 1. Then only you please cut the yarn. For me, I know how much yarn I will be needing. So I just cut the yarn before. Now chain 1 and pull through and your work is secured. So your half double crochet square is ready. You can increase the number of rows, number of chains, and if you wish you can make a bigger square. So if you hope you like this video. If you liked, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. If you have any comments, please feel free to write in the comment section. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. See you in my next video with yet another stitch. Until then, take care, stay safe.